Welcome to the video. I am at my stream table here. We picked up we got our order in from APMEX the other day. If you watched the video that I posted of a mail call and unboxing, you'll see some of the things that we got here. We got a tube of mercury dimes, a roll of, this is, let's see, the third item there, 90% silver coins, 10 face value roll. So it could have been either a $10 roll of $half or this roll of quarters here. And I think also it could have been two $5 rolls of dimes. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this. We'll go through this and see if there's any goodies in here. Otherwise, these are just for our live stream purposes. So I will cut back in if I find anything exciting. Actually, I decided I'm just going to go ahead and we'll go through these one by one together. I've got my red book here. We'll just go through these quickly and see if we have anything that's noteworthy here. Our first one here is a 1942 with an S mint mark. 1942 S. A little over 19 million minted there. $10 coin in extra fine condition. I don't think we have a coin that's that good. It's got a nick on there, but the potential so far is good. 1946 plain. And 53 million minted. 1943 Denver. 16 million minted. 42 Denver, 17 million. And we have a little bit newer one, a 1963. I think that's a Denver, mint mark there. 135 million minted. 1950 Denver. That could be I'll have to look at that one a little more closely. The 1950 Denver is a 21 million, but there's also a variety of the D over S. I'll set that one to the side and we'll take a look at that a little bit later. 59 Denver, 62 million minted. We got a 34 plain. That one's a little bit older. I got to flip my page back here. A 34 plain. Let's see. Well, there's all sorts of different kinds. Heavy, light, double die. So we'll set that one off to the side as well. Take a look at that. We got a pretty toasty one here. A 61. Not even going to worry about that one. $58 Denver, 78 million. 63 Philadelphia, 74 million. 43 plain, 99 million. 43 plain, 99 million. We got a 36 here, 36 plain, 41 million. 59 Denver, 78. Another 63 here, nothing special. 59 Denver, 43 plain. That 43 plain actually has a double die obverse variety, so we'll set that one to the side as well. 52 plain. 38 million on that one. We've got a 41 That one looks like it's all filled in there. That mint mark there. I'll have to take a look at that. That's a 41. Looks like a Denver, 16 million. I'll set that one to the side. That one looks like it's got a filled in date. 43 plain. That's one that we're going to take a look at. 45 plain. That's got 74 million minted. 43 Denver, 16 million. 62 39 plain, 33 million. 57 44 plain. We got an S mint mark here. A 43S, 21 million, and there is a double die variety, so we'll set that to the side, take a look at that a little bit later. We have a 44 plain. Let's see, 44 plain, 100 and, oh, look what we got. We've got a slick Standing Liberty. Not going to be any date on that either. That's pretty cool though. Holy cow, that thing is super slick. That's still cool though. And I did get a little while back, I got a couple rolls from APMEX of quarters, and I got a Standing Liberty ender on that one. So man, that thing is thin and slick. That's pretty cool though. All right, continuing on, a 63 Denver, 64 plain, 45 plain, 42 Denver, and that has a double die obverse variety, so we'll set that to the side. 64 plain, 46 plain, 59 Denver, 45 plain, two more, 41 plain, and a 34. We'll call it a Philadelphia instead of plain. 34 Philadelphia. I think I've already had one of these. Oh yeah, this is the one that's got a bunch of different varieties here. And all right, so we'll set that to the side as well. So we'll go ahead and we'll look through these and see if there's anything else in there. So a couple of these coins, these quarters here were of a different variety. Well, this one here was the 1941S, and I put that on the macro. I'll put a picture of it up of it right now. That S is filled in. I thought it was a D, but it's actually an S, and like the top half of it is filled in, so I'll put a picture of that up now. And the 1934 Philadelphias had a couple of different varieties, and one of the varieties was in the strike of the motto, "In God We Trust." And there is there's a heavy motto where it's struck heavily and then weakly here, as seen in this one. And I think you can see pretty well just from that the difference between the heavy motto and the week motto variety. There's not really any value to those either way. There is a double die version, and that does have some value there, obviously, but neither of these coins here were a double die. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. And we went through that roll. I counted them. There were the correct number of coins in there. We did get that one slick standing Liberty, which was pretty cool. I think I am happy with this roll from APMEX. I guess this wasn't really a review, but I was pleasantly pleased. I ordered a $10 face value. They sent me quarters, and we did get a little bit of variety with that standing Liberty. And we did find some cool varieties with the dates here, which is always fun to look at. So anyway, all right, those will go into our little hopper here for our live stream use. And I think we're going to go through those Mercury dimes now, right here. So, alrighty, we'll make that a separate video. Stay tuned.